The kingbird of paradise does just about everything possible to impress a mate. In Latin America, Kim Bostwick believes she has discovered a contender for the kingbird's crown. It's the Manikin. Most jungle researchers can't get near their subjects, but Kim's birds are positively jumping to be noticed.
They don't mind me being here, and they kind of show off. That's actually what their whole life is about, is showing off what they can do so that the females can be impressed and also mate with them. Right there, we just heard a male doing a little bit of a courtship display.
The displays of these mannequins are so fast that there's no way the human eye can see what they're doing. But with high-speed imaging, the secret of their dance can finally be cracked.
This little baby was the breakthrough for my research. It's a high-speed video camera that enables me to record at 500 frames a second. Your action camera goes at 30 frames a second, which means you're missing 90% of what's happening. So with this camera, I'm able to capture these behaviors and play them back in slow motion and just look and see what they're doing.
The big mystery is how these birds make their peculiar high-pitched calls. The images from the high-speed camera show clearly that the sounds come not from the bird's mouth, but from its wingtips. At 80 hits a second, this is quicker than the speed of a hummingbird's wing. A movement so fast it is invisible to the human eye. And there's more. The dance of the red-capped Manikin has another surprise in store. Kim's knowledge of the bird's ritual is now so intimate, she knows every move.
So, first thing you do is you're sitting on your perch and click, you fly away. Once you're out there, you come swooping in, do a loop-de-loo in the air, land on the perch, and at the end of that, what the males do is they lean over, lift up their tail, quiver the tail slightly, and nail their feathers against their sides. And now you're going to do a moonwalk, and this is the only known case of birds moonwalking to my knowledge. But they basically do these little steps backwards, and it looks like a Michael Jackson slide. It's very nice.
If Michael Jackson's moonwalk can be found in the jungles of Central America, then who knows what we might find next?